Have you actually wondered why some videos on YouTube are getting millions of views? Why some videos barely get noticed on YouTube, despite the fact that their content are actually amazing? The problem is not always your content. The problem is always your thumbnail and your title. And believe me, if these two elements does not have the ability to stop people from scrolling on YouTube and make them click to watch your video, automatically you will find it difficult to get views on your YouTube videos, despite the fact that your content is super amazing. In this video, I'm not just going to give you a guesswork on how to force people to click your video on YouTube, but I'm going to give you a proven way by which your videos will start getting millions and thousands of views. Now, if you are interested in this, all you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And don't forget, I'm going to give you a full detailed on how you should be able to do what, to force people or to make people to stop scrolling when they see your video. Let us dive into the full tutorial video now, guys.
Just to be able to create a catchy title and amazing thumbnail, let me just generate a random story here. I'm not going to give the story title because I want to show you guys the exact way I do get my story title. So first, I'm going to come to this place and then describe my story to ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, I want to create a story about a wicked billionaire daughter who always threatened the workers in their house. Now in the story, the billionaire daughter poured a very dirty water to the gate man because the gate man delayed to open the gate for her. Now on the second scene of this story, the gate man reported the billionaire daughter to the father. Then the father punished the daughter by telling the daughter to go collect the gate man clothes which she scattered, to wash it, iron it, and then give it back to the gate man. And after she has given it back to the gate man, she must kneel down and apologize to that gate man. Now I want you to generate this story scene by scene, and don't forget that on each of the scene, make sure you generate a very detailed text to image prompt for each scene. And this story must be full dialogue. There should be no narration in this story. Now after you've said everything here on ChatGPT, look at how detailed my information or instruction is to ChatGPT. So with this now, ChatGPT will surely tailor a very sweet story for me. Now as you can see now, ChatGPT has given this story a title. Now this is the title that ChatGPT gave the story: the billionaire's daughter who humiliated the gate man until her father taught her a lesson. This title now is just a random title, and believe me, if you should use this title here on your video, you will not get views because the title does not have action and there is no curiosity on this title. Now, so after you've gotten your story script, now this is just my story script. You see that? Good. And here is text to image prompt for scene 1. Then this is scene 2, like I told the AI to do for me. This is scene 3. So after you've gotten these things now, and let's assume that you are done with your story and you want to upload the story. Now, to generate your title, this is what you need to do. I always use ChatGPT to generate my title. Even on that COACH UDEH, those titles you are seeing that I'm using ChatGPT to generate them. And as you can see, my videos are actually doing well, despite that channel is not up to a month. Now, this is how I do generate my title for my story. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT, which is here. You see that? So once I come to ChatGPT, this is what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do for me. So I want you. Okay, so this is what I will do. You are too good. You are too good, and you know the best title, strategy, that stops screw on YouTube. Full stop. Now, I want you to generate, 10 professional, powerful, and clickbait YouTube video title using this title. Now, I'm going to use this title that ChatGPT gave me as a case study. You see this one here? So I'm going to copy this one here. You see that? So once I copy, then I'm going to paste this title here. Then I'm going to send. Now, with this now, ChatGPT is going to generate 10 curiosity title for you. Now, reason this title is going to be highly clickable is because I said clickbait thumbnail title. Now, anytime you see clickbait thumbnail title, it always comes with unfinished event, unfinished sentence, and curiosity. Now, let me show you what I meant by that. Now, look at the first title. Says what? The billionaire's daughter humiliated the gate man. Her father's punishment shocked everyone. Do you see how this title is now? It has curiosity. The father's punishment shocked everyone. Now, anybody that sees this video on YouTube now will be like, okay, well, let me see how the father punished the billionaire daughter. I don't know if you understand. Like that already, it kept them thinking, like they are worried. What will happen in this video? Now, look at the second title. It says what? She poured dirty water on the gate man. Then her billionaire father did the unthinkable. Number 2 is still okay. Number 3 says what? The billionaire's spoiled daughter insulted the gate man. What her father did next left her in tears. Number 3 is still okay. Number 4 says what? She thought she was above everyone until her father forced her to kneel before the gate man. This number 4 is too straightforward, so it's a no for me. Do you understand? Now, number 5 says what? The billionaire's daughter mocked the gate man. Minutes later, her father taught her a painful lesson. So this is just that. Now, as you can see at the ending part, this AI picked 3 for you. Now, the first one says what? She poured dirty water on the gate man, then her billionaire father did the unthinkable. Now, number 2 says what? The billionaire's daughter humiliated the gate man. Her father's punishment shocked everyone. Now, can you see this first one that I said if I'm to create something, this is the one I'm going to pick. Now, this AI selected it here. Now, if you are to pick this one that says the billionaire daughter humiliated the gate man, then her father's punishment shocked everyone. You see, this title will do well because it has action and curiosity, and it has that power to like stop people from scrolling. Because anybody that sees this stuff will definitely want to click the video to see what actually happened. Now, that is just how to come up with a perfect title. Now, when it comes to your thumbnail now, this is what you need to do. So after you've gotten the title that you want to use, it's very important to do what you pick the title. Just copy the title. Now, so after you've copied the title, come to this place now and then tell ChatGPT to do this thing for you. So after you've gotten your script and you've generated your title, now to generate a very catchy thumbnail, just look at the prompt I'm going to give ChatGPT here. So once you open your ChatGPT, now you start with don't generate the thumbnail here. What I want you to do, is to write me a detailed text to image prompt for my thumbnail. You see that? Now write Now write the prompt here. So once you have this, you send this, then this AI is going to generate or write you a detailed text to image prompt for this particular story that you are creating now. Now, do you see the thumbnail that this AI actually write for you? So once you have this stuff, you copy. So after you copy it now, so you will not be like now generate. You will be like now generate the thumbnail. Now generate the thumbnail here. Full stop. Size is what? 16:9. Then full stop. The text on the thumbnail should be this. Okay, the text on the thumbnail should be this. Her wicked heart caused her this. So this is the text on the thumbnail that I want. Full stop. Then I'm going to send this stuff. Now with this, now ChatGPT will now generate your thumbnail for you. Just look at this place and see how this thumbnail will look, guys. Now can you see? Look at the thumbnail I was able to generate. So do you just see how the stuff is? This is the wicked girl now pouring dirty water on the gate man, and here is the father. This is how this stuff is. So this is just how to do it. It's not difficult. So if you love this stuff, all you need to do is just to click on this arrow here to download it. Then if you do not like it, you can now adjust and do the stuff exactly how you want it to be. So this is just how to generate a very catchy thumbnail and a very good title for your videos. If you find value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Catch you guys on another tutorial video, and bye for now.